Hanging belly six-pack workouts at home. Are you struggling to target your lower abs and get rid of that hanging belly pouch, even with regular workouts? Many of us find it challenging to effectively engage the lower abs, especially when working out at home. But what if I told you there's a solution? A way to sculpt those abs right in the comfort of your own home, without expensive gym or fancy equipment. Stick around as we dive into the world of hanging belly six-pack workouts. Get ready to transform your body and your mindset, because the journey to a six-pack starts now. Hanging belly six-pack home workouts. Jumping split squat. Start in a lunge position, then explosively jump and switch legs mid-air, landing in a lunge position with the opposite leg forward. Repeat continuously, alternating legs. Opposite lifts. Start in a high plank position. Lift your left arm and right leg simultaneously, then switch to lift your right arm and left leg. Continue alternating sides. Jumping jacks. Stand with feet together, then jump legs outward while raising arms overhead. Jump back to starting position. Repeat in a continuous motion. Side shuffles, high knee. Shuffle laterally while lifting knees high, alternating sides. Keep a brisk pace to elevate the heart rate and engage the core. Bear crawls. Start in a tabletop position with knees hovering off the ground. Crawl forward by moving opposite hand and foot simultaneously, then backward in the same manner. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with hands behind your head. Lift shoulder blades off the ground and bring right elbow towards left knee while extending right leg. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Hopping air bike. Similar to bicycle crunches in standing position, add a hop between each repetition to increase intensity and engage the core muscles dynamically. Mountain climbers. Begin in a plank position, then alternate bringing knees towards chest in a running motion. Keep hips low and core engaged throughout. Lying windshield wiper. Lie on your back with legs extended vertically. Lower legs to one side towards the ground, then bring them back up to center and lower to the other side. Mimic a windshield wiper motion. Plank. Hold a plank position with forearms on the ground, elbows directly beneath shoulders, and body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage core muscles and hold for the desired duration. These hanging belly workouts target various muscle groups in the core, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, helping to strengthen and tone the abdominal region. Incorporate these exercises into your routine for a comprehensive core workout.